Meaning of disillusionment.
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 Disillusionment. Disillusionment refers to the feeling of disappointment and disenchanted belief that something one had previously trusted or believed in is not as good or true as one originally thought. It usually occurs when a person realizes that their expectations do not match the reality of a situation, often resulting in feelings of loss, confusion, and sadness. The result of disillusionment can vary from person to person, but it often leads to a change in perspective or a loss of faith in a particular idea, individual, or institution.